Homeowners' smart HVAC maintenance plans are here. But what does that actually mean for your home? Because ignoring your system isn't a small oversight. It can literally shorten your unit's life by up to 50%. That means a 20-year system could fail in just 10, forcing a costly replacement during a summer heat wave. But the damage isn't just financial. Your HVAC could be actively circulating mold and bacteria through your home. We will show you how these plans affect your wallet and your health, and expose the myths that are costing you money. Let's talk about the money. Do you know the 3 hidden ways your unmaintained HVAC is draining your bank account? First, inefficiency. A dirty system works harder, not smarter, which can slash its energy efficiency by 5 to 15%. Second, voided warranties. Most manufacturers require proof of routine maintenance. Without it, you pay for major failures. And third, the emergency tax. Breakdowns in extreme weather mean you pay premium rates for a preventable problem. And in high humidity regions, this isn't a generic problem. Constant moisture forces HVAC systems to work overtime. This climate accelerates wear and tear, making consistent professional maintenance a critical defense for your system. So, we know neglect costs money. But how does it affect your health? It starts with moisture and dust on the indoor coil. This creates a perfect breeding ground for mold and bacteria. When the fan kicks on, it blasts these into your living space. This can lead to more frequent asthma attacks, new allergies, or respiratory infections, especially for children. But what about the silent dangers you can't see or smell? The ones that become apparent only when it's too late. This is where a professional tune-up makes a difference. It's more than a filter change. They check refrigerant levels. They also tighten electrical connections to prevent fires and catch small issues before they cause a catastrophic failure. So, how can you tell if your system is crying out for help? Have you noticed any of these specific warning signs? First, strange noises. Grinding or squealing sounds are not normal. They are direct signs of mechanical parts failing. Second, weak airflow. If some rooms are colder than others, it could point to a failing fan motor or a blockage. And third, warm air when you want cool. This often indicates a refrigerant leak or compressor issue getting worse. And remember that silent danger. A key safety check in a furnace tune-up is inspecting for heat exchanger cracks. This is done to prevent leaks of carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless gas that can be deadly. Now, let's address some common myths that actually damage your system. Myth 1. Closing vents in unused rooms saves energy. This is false. It increases pressure in your ducts, causing air leaks and forcing the entire system to work harder. Myth 2. Setting the thermostat to an extreme temperature cools the house faster. Your system has one speed. It just runs longer. Myth 3. You only need to change your filter once a year. In reality, every 1 to 3 months is standard for proper airflow. And a new filter is just the beginning. It doesn't clean the coils, check electrical parts, or test for safety issues. So if DIY fixes can backfire and neglect is so costly, what does a complete and intelligent solution look like? This is where it all connects. That 50% shorter lifespan isn't random. It's from dirty coils and loose connections. The clean air protecting your family from allergies comes from the same coil cleaning that lowers your monthly energy bill. A maintenance plan provides the framework that addresses everything at once: longevity, savings, and safety. The return on this small investment is significant. Regular tune-ups can reduce heating and cooling bills by up to 30%. So don't see HVAC maintenance as another bill. See it as a protection plan for your home's most expensive appliance. You're investing in lower bills, cleaner air, a longer-lasting system, and security from unexpected breakdowns. For Birmingham homeowners facing our unique climate challenges, this proactive care is the smartest move for your home. Don't wait for your system to fail. Schedule a seasonal tune-up today and see how a maintenance plan can save you money.